Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set whether you are visible in a quick ad or not in the Snapchat app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu. Then we go into the settings and we scroll down. And under privacy control, we find see me in quick ad. We tap on this. And if we tap on this checkbox, we can turn this off. This means that that if we have some mutual friends, then like we have a mutual friend, and we aren't friends, then for you I'm going to appear in your quick add suggestions, and you can add me just like that by tapping on the add button. If it is turned off, obviously this function is not available. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.